meteorite engine. Meteorite engine at its best power, using the power of the sun to power the television, the decoder, television decoder, all these bulbs, and at the same time it's working and powering solar cooker. You can see the solar cooker boiling very well. You can see the solar cooker boiling very well here. Yes, it is powered by this engine, meteorite solar engine. This is the latest advanced technology. These are the latest advanced technology that you can use the sun to cook, to power all your electrical appliances, your refrigerator, your cooker, your bulbs. In the daytime, it will recharge all your rechargeable. See the bulbs, carry the bulb, recharging these bulbs for use at night, meteorite. And you see the power of the sun. That is the power of the sun.